Ahe GC News, Mima Bawumia Akwaba, Hadia, latest and hot news on Kwaku Annan, Bremo. And uti so we subscribe to the channel now. For more than say over subscribe to the channel. The other answer over click the subscribe button. Now we barely notification. We answer video be upload with the first person of Zabeka Ayasabi. I feel we are now like you give us a thumbs up, now fee. Shema of Froso now when you be here now and someone and Koso and Wagana Memohano. I feel you go and seven. I feel young share ye and someone abeto your bonoso. Minty a year some Kumuya and Koso. It is answering.
Who to make a demonstration, sir, obey the billboard is also boom for billboard workroom. About them. I don't have democracy no. I got 2 months me akotwaba. I'm a Mahama be president. Who ye demonstration? Demonstration what ye demonstration na demonstration we ya mo de person the violence shame. Some of the violence shame na gidigidi na oman no e be ye ungovernable. E be dey ato aba ma Mahama. E be hu na we ye demonstration gidigidi no na nkofo ya afi bo say problem ekosike akoye chaotic. Yes about to ye tu asheda obe den nkofo bi person mo sheda into demonstration na George bi sama no. Miss that demonstration na ye say the idea is to go and destroy things. The idea vandalize. Who call demonstration? We a Democrat. Who make us say we be billboard. MPP for the billboard they see what. We could be MPP for billboard. I didn't hear. My dodgy question be ache. Obeto Abama Hobeto. Me to Abama Bawumia.
Unto Abama Bawumia.
Davi.
Okay.
But I didn't know so Kubu Bawumia billboard.
Like say who's unto Bawumia?
It's not it. Yes.
Na beto Mahama.
Men to Abama Bawumia.
Ba beto Mahama.
Asma me can be am dey no.
Men jina wa.
But say me men to Abama Bawumia. Politics na ye Ghana and I see as system kakra. People should vote. Or some for how they vote.
Into what was
yeah. Me person me mama nyoma e dey impuntu ebeba omabrabo enyama bi o ha mo bia o change na brabo. For instance me chrome day mama home like one of the fastest internet that you can find anywhere in the world. Macra outdoor router seba so that 3 kilometers square obia no you can just browse. Oh no, internet today like to give a whole town free data that you don't have to buy. That's me that before about 2 abano. Asebu Pomaze, maybe a pilot project, maybe how it will go, then I can extend it to other communities. But Asebu Pomaze, no, but before December, no be until data. Yeah, and CCI can say there is free internet, just that or there could be I think a routers, outdoor routers, never. Then we can get it to everybody's home. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow, it's BBI okay.
BBI okay, like BBI.
7 December they will go massively. Akoto wahaba.
Obi be some question be na mesome man answer. I think that the youth, the Gen Z for now no, obese san or money. They are thinking differently. And you know, obi be some then say what to abandon say winner internet no.
Hey, when Owusu no. Go file nana. Oh
yeah, we at time I make file me nomination.
Oko filing.
Yeah.
It's a good way you not the way.
Me file we na me se me come me ho na me nyemo me akobo point bi. Sana krum fo nyina sana ho aye. We nyina wo hehye kwana wo twen. Because you know the non propaganda no. Yeah, propaganda you there me file obe disco like it was just in some bebre. So when who there my file na Akoto no like everybody was happy.
And you could see they are so happy.
Yeah, obi o hebia you see the issue no constituency there. Obi o hebia no ibo video metro bia which the way your friend dey na my friend dey never poor friend dey or to them fie. I know everybody we grew up together. Or me of us for like we are a big family.
Big family.
And for so many years, you know, and my papa in school watch BC. So across the district, I know everybody. So this one is more of like a busian for yeah.
Oh, you're busy.
Yeah, you're busy.
Yeah, you're busy with Kronim. Come on, the warrior. Enjoy. What's Nyama Ko? Yeah,
Nyama Ko ni na positive.
Nyama so.
Yeah, you go do na nkodi ye wie da home road no. But machines no grow problem. So we could not. So, but next week we are going to complete it. Okay. And now, enyamana me me your hon point me de ma me force home ma warrior.
A force.
Oh man.
I did the jet to
Charlie.
Well, you juma.
Me me na me no a trap.
I said what?
Set a trap.
A trap on that chibela.
Obia yebi. Look, George. I keep telling people. Obey me the day. Me kind of ask me, I'm not for work, and some of them they don't like me to say that. But I'll be excited there. I'll force people, and now the kind of pressure I made my one. They are doing a lot. In a chance to them, they are fixing the road.
And the people are doing that themselves.
They are doing it.
No. The government is fixing it. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And what the machines say go away, and it makes me happy. Look, I know I'm going to win the election.
You have already won.
If I don't win the election between now and December, pressure more tunnel. It will benefit the people before anybody can be MP in that constituency.
It's not sure that whether you win or you don't win, you are still going to continue to work for them. That's what you're saying.
I just want the people, you need together.
Yeah.
In that year, say what the machine say bogu, if you read about Junction Kwaguna Swedro, what the machines what that or obey your coin. And I'm so excited. But for me coming in the race, go on bear them Kwanan.
But why? I have a question.
Yeah.
I mean, you're a politician, but I've always wondered why do politicians wait?
When you know be aging.
The same people they want.
Yeah, politicians when you know be aging. Or them know what.
I say your chair school say.
Yeah, I there. When you there, look, and it's so amazing. Jo Mahama Ojina circle her. Oboy circle Dubai. 2 weeks to election, Stand Lucy. And politicians are the kind of people that they can never think, they can never change how they do things. They are when you know why bring or young candidate format now, but when NDC candidate no kita pure water, no kita be any no natural. Yeah, remember campaign I'm about $70,000 watch you.
Come on.
Yeah, mean that grow and me come banku, me him count. No. No, boys, no beautiful draws na. Hey, bra Kwame me back campaign, me back as that Obama youth no. When you my youth no, over there, me pedo here be you be a con.
But it seems to be
working. Yeah, me pedo here be wa con like what say eba na no be can sem be chirem. And what say and go be so want to about me say about dinta. Also eba eko YouTube and Net2 na abodo. No, me mean the YouTube mako break akra, but no problem share that to me now. No, don't vote for me. Look, you did the magro ni biom. Youth, they have to think ahead.
That why can't I have to swing?
If you want to mental. Bro, man,
something say na me. Come in my wife. Yeah, pay brand new. Say obi nyame yi obi ti say A+. So me ye kuro ni yie. Person o kan no ho. Aban de machines ya be so a omo ye kwan no. Na o say aba UTV de ne nan atosu sei. Enti ye nya kwan ne ye.
You are watching Juicy.
You go on. Oh,
but the issue is that youth now want me constituency, and even most of the people, who say, I'll say you're different. And kind of normal na ye no, and now Uber campaigner, if young who now we knew for metness in bed. That's who be now. That's a who's a rich. That be over.
When you're busy,
me yakwan, me mama, me force come unko ye pipe. Yeah, go me yen so nkofon kom no so go and work. I have a lot of people. My setting up A+ development fund. Me man nipa 10,000. Me mo be 1,000 Ghana.
Wow.
Because na me who say you to be 200 Ghana. That is capital they are working. They will see draws. I think you can see jeans. Bob Brandy go wa boni pa me bro win basa antino nya afenya market by san wada. Everybody is busy obi aye agreement nya bi na afenya be see jeans and say to abama no MPB MPC jeans and to abama no MPC draws and to abama chale muma ye na men suradi o say na the way na wo kasa obi say on pena nka bo pesa me kasa say o na say me call baby me need USB din komo me ko isu me escalate mo what you say honorable ye na ye to abama am say o ye ba asam na ya pere you class kwa ma ba na na so want to me escalate do ombeji ama oh no Kwame Aplus in this agro like about want to ombeji me escalate ama so 120 by far Ghana happen up so obo bi just up na chawansa ampa chom pesa me boa wonti no na obi na mu no cha mu no be ko bi na ya se obi be cha me mu koje mu di odi mu adwuma de ye adwuma na e me de hwe mo hwe atime be sigo mu se constituency bia yes ah eni putu be bo memu ha ena Bawumia ba constituency ai me ka be see demonstration also me fro obi anam ka che obi asa na ye washing day Dr. Bawumia ba constituency ya ye adwuma for the past 1 year 4 months obia mo enya fe na wo be hye me t-shirt dia kon nam ho ye provocation ye democracy sa ye se kan bi ma men kan bi why ye wo de ono so aba be ne de ono so be ne de on sa de no enti enne ye washing day enne obia nkosi ne t-shirt enya ne na wo be kire sa wo ye bemba fa moto aba da bi me pesa ade no and we share as an independent candidate me go for 90 di mechi go for 10 kilometers and mobile no who say man pass man Kwame Aplus is a very strong guy yeah somebody no independent do what you know say what one person can do because the people are not thinking like the way they expect them to think when one more to make go to their vote you come and you adwuma biem
oh yes do
yes you see you from kwa ya you fan give vote oh and I will say youth no obian sorry me person me create bibi magana for nya it's not just about me Sir George sorry and person of parliament now delegates a channel or this or discover it is Sammy na bet me aye adwuma na yes akọ ebitua amo
yeah
it ni ato abama obi o ntumi ye adwuma because on no discover me ko independent se ne be ya se me wini a na me ye adwuma yi a ochina Sammy sorry no so ko independent obi be say Aplus ko independent abo na nkrofo no yenso yentoma independent na ye biemu I'm an independent candidate no so to my then it me room because this duopoly has been there for so long and we have not achieved what we expect to achieve as a country and to me be kwan am obi a say na be ochina everybody can just get up and bypass our delegates for you delegate to her delegates na also we not also demonstration mami address demonstration issue George you know na George kwe bisa say me call demonstration asama anko me nso so nkwase asam so Ghana for munti asam na me kan yi demonstration na omo ye no
wa mo ye
ni o kasa manko bi ma last George Prempeh say oba ha obesre me say anka maya de bi na asade na me ye nsenka like e ka onu ko anka me find a way to apologize because no Bahama obi a be demonstration asem megwa Satan no no must start to fix the country the Halifax the be demonstrations ada megwa brutal it is true. Egano bros was Satan me honorable.
Okay, but say
I had to say that my honorable. It's you know asemi am kan ya bros so wo hono. Man kan ye. If sanka ye nan ka men kan sa. Yeah, you know same demonstration assembly no can say. But that demonstration no Ghana for mamu nko biem. Muntie me ye.
Dia wa hin sesi
ya de omu ye fresh one omu ye nene
voters you see there
dabi anye
withdrawal no there now
dabi ni no mu ye yes democratic hub na ye nam 37 Ghana for muntie mi mo obi anko omo mbeko no omu nja omo nko democracy ye den democracy can be mamen can be untumi ko demonstration say obi de ne billboard e so obubu nkrofo billboard okurum abodam eno na democracy no aka 2 months me akoto aba amajo Mahamadu be president who ye demonstration wo ko ye demonstration na demonstration mo ye amode pesa mo the violence him some of the violence shame na gidigidi na oman no ebeye ungovernable ebe dey ato abama jo mahama ebe hu na wo ye demonstration gidigidi na nkofo ya afi bo say problem ekosike akoye chaotic yes abato ye tu asheda obe den nkofo bi person mo sheda into me demonstration na George bi sama no me say demonstration na ye say the idea is to go and destroy things the idea vandalize who call demonstration we are democrats who make us say we be billboard MPP for the billboard they see what we could bubu MPP for billboard adentia
I'm defense to say both parties have not.
Does it make sense? Into both parties have not. Into both parties have not.
Resolves the
so what?
I mean, that's
no. Me too. My dodgy question be ache. Obeto Abama, Obeto. Me to Abama Bawumia.
Unto Abama Bawumia.
Davi.
Okay.
But I didn't also kubu Bawumia billboard.
Like say, who's unto Bawumia?
It's not it. Yes.
Na beto ama mahama
men to Abama Bawumia
ba beto ama mahama
asma me can baby am dey si no
men gina wa
be say men to Abama Bawumia but anasa men to Abama MPP
ase ho ende obekọ afafra
me say men to Aba Emma MPP
afafra nto
but adentin also okubu obi billboard also we a democrat hwe ohun nije obi enti asama meka ne ye entertainment na ye sere no na ye ade ama yetumi abetena ha kasa ye kan ya adwen a ye sere ya asomdwe na ye wo as Ghanaians. Ghana has a different culture and Ghana is a different country.
But you think it's the same culture that has made us put us where we are right
and
now?
Do you prefer?
You're not getting
No, I get what I'm saying.
So I'm asking you a question. Do you prefer to sit here and have this conversation and drive out of here and go home and sleep, or you prefer a safe, or you prefer
5 p.m. curfew
to sleep?
I don't think anybody wants. I mean, I'm not sure so a bit.
Nobody go entertainment to
what they are doing.
I didn't go entertainment to Okroma. Hey, you cool. Rollins no time no ye cool no. Obi other 5. Obi the abo show. Hey, show na hey yes sister by house obi no be dey for so many years. No nightlife egu.
Yeah.
Niger Oma yeku Mali Oma yeku Burkina Faso Oma yeku ni aka ne Ghana na omo finances ade no omo nya from epono e di abo akọ yen pesa ade no aka 2 months me akoto a okobubu nkofo ne oma wo problem akọ ballot box no akoto aba obi obo say bi o se echi ni tum o ko say ade side ye kwa ye be demonstration yen ye be peace walk
okay
ye nyina be ka obi anko ballot Ghana ye different Libya yempe Gaddafi oni ebe ya unrest and the Libya o mine go first na Ghana ni bia fi akopage mo Libya and the Libya ni obiem wo be fi ha ko Nigeria wo to o ticket na why you rent why you hotel na ewie wo ko Nigeria so ha wo san hie sika wo be tua police also ono na nche say be kidnap o yempe sa de ni bi wo krom ha o yeah obi o ye galamsey onu krom bia MP no mu tuo mu nyina. You have to deal with them. But me no once a George buy no demonstration. Me ko demonstration e basa basa o. Kwame kuma 122 ba akokwa be win independence okroma. What is obi wu ye? Sa na ye tie. So me I don't support anything that is going to make this country unstable, it's going to cause chaos. I can never be part of it. I want to come and sit here. Who ni pam pena sempa wo wi ase. Kenny Jonas. Me feeling brutal. Oh, can na dwen yen kan ya dwen ne yen koda anu ne anu obi an kan na dwen obi an koda
But they're extreme. But they're extreme.
On kan na dwen yes me feel say metumi akama acha Akufo Addo na makofi akoda e chen say obe ka chem say 5 mama mpie hey covid dana e ka say yenda covid no hu say na nkofo aye hot yenda keke yes ayan ye be ku no kwa ne pese ye beti ase enti no mu me hwa de na ye no ye hwe ni ye. We have just 2 months to election. Anybody who has an issue should go to the ballot box. Exactly. Go and deal with the issue in the ballot box. Let's go like that. See ya, you better say kakra. One day, you be yi obia, obeye to say Paul Kagame. No dane Ghana Rwanda. Kakra sa ya de beko. Obia wo problem a galamsey na dey make me a demonstration, and I'll always be part of a demonstration if we are going to abide by the law. But immediately it's a demonstration and you are charging with you.
And then they no mobile football ni you.
Rollins charging ye. Ebe ku nipa corruption ja okroma. nipa no onu omu ku nkrofo no wie no mu wie more than omo yeku om mu me anwi yes
honorable Samuel
yes be Sammy
debut
mo be Sammy last one
me call women in West and
also one question who the mo be sir
Matie food mu who be sapa who ni last words
okay, Kenya 4 year demonstration.
Yes.
A year youth demonstration. Yeah. And my president, it's a son near my Kenya. No. It was as a result of some of these extreme.
And who and almost say bibi what's higher then? Kenya for some people.
Because
I want to quite demonstration. Na cause no money issue to no would not buy necessarily.
Because bibi say, yeah, leaders no. I'm trying my. Drew extremes and sana I'm sorry
won't to abamenya ansafo Ghana ha moto abamenya ansafo hu hia demonstration ko hu
but that's
the whole of western region Ghana minerals nyina wo western region the minerals wo Ghana he nyina wo western region
but
eso kwan papa ko ni ho omo nyom ye NDC na NPP for
school
enti no pa akoto abama cheda wo pa akoto abama afafranto find an option look democracy a bit to say democracy is not the best option. It's not the best form of government. Where is the option? Which option? Choose a better option. Apart from democracy, choose a better option. And we have to think about these things. This country, but there was certain level of asumdwe edete.
Yeah.
Higher semi different. It's a me person we call demonstration. But yeah, because demonstration that's a more bersati as MPP for the MPP for men to abama. But obviously the people who was saying higher then. No, it's very wrong.
And I agree.
And I just
because for me,
I'm saying this for
MPP NDC for the now NDC for Salvador NDC for Nankasa. So omunim say omo ba power there. And also two demonstration for no because we could have no. Na ya no for national am so omo say dan yen sent to question near state of emergency.
NPP youth wing go buy.
Omo buy for.
Omo buy demonstration.
Salvador me ba cho
near rap. Yes sure say Kwame honorable kasemu bi anko demonstration can be peaceful and responsible. Look at them they can.
Onye do so
o patriot. I say do so can MCA work.
Me ba cho last week.
First. What do you
program?
Anyway, I think Sammy dear me person me can say Debiano, I've been one that have always advocated to see change. Na eya na mpempi ne me ka say sadie no ewo na wo betumi aye. Ama mantemufo ehu say me ma kwan na wo ba say na wo betumi aye. And I think Sir Kwame Aplus has been an example of that, because time me share time on started a year campaign way up to now he's done a remarkable job. Like it's just mind blowing. Me call her but me share videos me nya
busy
me nya hu ko say me too kwan
and the traffic is in the who
I've seen say ejuma no ekoso. I've seen how ayana a domino ADH because the people are seeing and they are feeling it. What am I saying? Intermediate me pesa me bona baso say juma no waye. We have just 2 more months now to say, you know,
your parliament.
What am I say?
Me say them
deputy MP what?
Me MP our vice. You know, I think that I just want to
thank you very much.
Commend you. You've done a very beautiful job.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Yo, it is for waiting and some ababeto yapuno so cause GC News so and our no so we subscribe ya Bomodian say we will subscribe to the channel. Nothing so while like video give us a thumbs up na fi share ma ofufro so na we be here na wo hu and some episode Ghana memoir sanse hadie latest and hot news nko and the bremo also with me akere what you fire and some we nyina ho e wo comment box no obeti make up in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.